Okay, guys, here we are. This is the finale. At this point, we redecorated everything. We're ready to sell. We're staged to sell. We put brand new carpeting because the tenants had ruined the previous. We freshly painted. We redecorated, got new lamps and bedding, and we're trying to zhuzh it to get every penny we can out of it. We tried to neaten up the closet and declutter, as you can see. We emptied the top shelves. Got to do that. The bathroom, we put in a new floor. You can't see it in this pic. It's a white floor. Beautiful. Nice and fresh and clean. And look at our spacious living room. We had Stanley Steamer come in for the carpets, and the rest is just our regular furniture. But it was very spacious without the white couch curling around in an L. We like this better. Look how much fits in there. And there's the dining room. We condensed the dining room to make it look bigger. We went for an IKEA round table, and it worked. The kitchen, just cleaned it up, decluttered it. You can see my little two-stool breakfast nook over there to the right or left. We had all new stainless steel appliances when we moved in originally. That's the original floor. So I just cleaned it, kept everything spacious, if you can see that. And we did quite well on this apartment. Very happy. Here is another angle. It afforded us the ability to move up, rent this, and get another one in between. But now we're getting ready to come here to Florida. We're selling off. This was the last piece. See how big? We had an office. We really refined it, from the beginning. If you look through and look back, now it has the brick wall. It has a real office in the back. It's more spacious. We, made it as best we could so that we could get maximum dollar. This is the last piece. We lived in this building with 3 apartments. We started with a rental. We bought this one. Then we bought 4U on the 4th floor. Now it's crunch time. We already own 1 apartment in Florida, so we got to sell up and get ready to retire. He did the bathroom by himself, Vinny, which was beautiful. Saved us tons of money. Put a brand new powder room. The patio, it is what it is. That chair alone was $500. It was a recliner outdoor. But it was a nice porch facing the front. So that was, a good part of the apartment to begin. So that in itself, those are pieces I found actually in the trash. Put new cushions, tried to clean it up and make it look desirable, spacious, like anything else. There's another pic in there. I don't know how that's in here. There's the infamous trunk. It's here in Florida with us. These are some older pics when before we we're ready to sell. I don't know how they're in here, but they are. Doesn't matter. Probably want to show you different stuff. There's the front view from the terrace. It was a nice sized terrace for outdoors. And there's the kitchen showing you in the daylight. There, I want you to see, we put in that nook with the 2 stools, kitchen nook. Who has that in a 1-bedroom? It's very rare. We created it. That wall was solid, And there's another angle. These are a little bit before we did the selling staging. So you could see the work we did. See how much smaller the dining room looked? And I had a fish tank and we had the gym. And these are good ideas and to show you to declutter what you can do. If you're going to live permanent, you get a sizable table. If you want to downsize to sell and make it look good, you have to clear things out and you have to stage it, so to speak. But that's it.